Let's jazz up these Dollar Tree lanterns with our homemade rub and buff. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we have these little lanterns from Dollar Tree. I take the little hooky thing off the top, and I'm using a dauber and some multi-surface paint. This is a black one, and I'm just going to dab all over it, the top, the bottom, all of that. And if you're going to use that ring again, I just did that one too. And I also did a green one that I did in cream. It's like a sheepskin. Next, we're going to take some black shoe polish. You could use clear or brown, and I'm adding mica powder. Now, I'd gotten my shoe polish from, I think, Dollar General, and the mica I had gotten from Michael's. Look at this. You just mix it up. You just kind of smush it together, mix it up, and then it's your own homemade rub and buff. And all I'm doing is putting some on the raised parts and then just kind of using my towel to kind of rub it, buff it. There's the name. But look at how it makes me think of like a metal kind of lantern. I don't know. I think this looks so cool. Look at how much fun this is. Again, you want to use a cloth that you don't mind ruining, just because, you know, it's polish and that wax may not come off. But then I started going crazy. I'm like, oh, let's just do this on every single side and do a little bit more heavier handed. And I'm not mad. Look at how much fun this is. It's shiny, but it's still that vintage kind of vibe that I love. I'm there for it. The other one that I did, the green one, like I said, I used a chalk paint, and it was sheepskin is the color. And I did the same. I used the same wax on that, but it had such a different effect. It's wild to see the different, how different each of them look. Look at how much fun this is, though. Oh, I love it. And I could have used any color mica. You could even use eyeshadow, because eyeshadow is kind of like mica, right? Isn't that fun? Oh, my goodness. Can you buy Rub and Buff? Absolutely. You can get it on Amazon. People buy it all the time. I just never think to buy it. And then I'm like, oh, shoot, this would look really cool with like a sparkle or a shine to it. So I just wind up making it myself. That is the story of my life. Oh, well. Anyways, yeah, and I just kept going on. And, you know, if you see a spot that is a little bit heavier, you can rub and buff that part out, or you can add more. The sky's the limit. But look at how cool this is. These do, though, take batteries. I'm just going to warn you right now. They do take batteries. So, yeah. At the end, I wound up putting a ribbon through the top instead of putting the ring back on, and I just tied it in a bow. I just thought it looked I might put the ring back on. I don't know. But at that moment, I just thought, you know what, Dollar Tree ribbon, this looks so pretty and festive and country. I just love it. Now, here's that other one I was telling you I was doing. Look at the difference. This one looks so much more like country and farmhousey. I don't know. Either one, though, man, I love both of them. I don't know. I hope you do too. If nothing else, I hope you were entertained. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.